Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Before we begin today's video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the notification bell so that every time I upload my video you get the notification. So today I'm going to paint Buddha with gouaches. Gouaches are similar to watercolors, but these are opaque and are thick than watercolors. Today I'll be painting an abstract Buddha, a half-faced Buddha, and I have started with the base of the background and now I'm painting the face. I'm just giving it a base and I'll be using a lot of colors today as this is an abstract art. And now you can see I have let the first layer dry completely and then move to the second layer. So the idea behind using lot of colors is that I want to portray chaos with lot of colors and still want my painting to look peaceful. So the theme of today's painting is finding peace in chaos. So let me tell you the colors that I'm using in my painting, and I'm using gouaches. I'm using primary cyan for the base. I've mixed it with Persian blue from the watercolors, and for the pink I'm using primary magenta. Since this is an abstract art, I'm not following a pattern. I'm just letting my brush flow on its own. And if you are a regular viewer of my channel, you must have seen I love to portray my feelings and emotions in my paintings. And if you are new to my channel, I'm sharing a link over here. You can go and watch my other videos. In this abstract art, I've just taken care of the features that they should look peaceful, and rest of the colors that I'm using, they have to be chaotic. There should also be a rhythm in chaos. So that was my motive. I've chosen to paint with gouaches because gouaches are thick and they give out a very bright look, whereas watercolors are translucent and they give out a lighter look. I choose my painting medium as per the idea or the subject that I am painting. I paint in acrylics, oil, watercolors, gouaches. Hope you like my today's video, and if you did, please hit the like button and also share it with your friends and family. I'll see you next time with something new, interesting and straight from the heart. Till then, keep painting.